Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Tomorrowaday Farms. Today we are going to can up something a little obscure, but I think you guys are going to understand why, and I'm going to explain it here. We are going to can up some coffee. The reason for that is I love iced coffee. In the middle of the summer, this is the easiest way to do it. I brew 2 pots of coffee, I can it up for 20 minutes, and I have beautiful iced coffee whenever I want it. I do mine a little bit different. I only can the black coffee because that's what I drink normally. And if I do add milk, it's like 2 drops and that's good enough for me. I do not like coffee creamers or anything like that. But if you do, I will try to link a recipe down below for like a French vanilla homemade coffee creamer if I can find one. I'm pretty sure I have one, but like I said, I prefer milk in mine. But I like to add that at the time because I have a couple friends that just like it black. So this way I can make it and everybody can have some. So without further ado, let's get canning up some coffee. Alright guys, so right now I have my jars in my water bath canner. They are being sanitized. Yes, you're going to have to listen to my chicken. She is currently laying an egg. So I'm going to pull out a jar here. I don't add any milk or sugar to mine because I don't put sugar in mine. But if you do, you can definitely add it when you're ready to go. Or you can do right now. You can add the milk, you can add the cream, whatever you want. Alright, so I'm just going to do 2 jars with you because that's easy. So all I do is put my coffee in a pitcher. Pour it in. My husband makes much better coffee than I do, and he doesn't even drink it. To 1-inch headspace. And this will water bath can for 20 minutes. Super easy. But like I said, if you want to add milk and stuff, you guys go right ahead. Just checking my headspace. This is a great way if, say, you have leftover coffee. Process it up, put it on your shelf. Another great thing, guys, is say your hydro, goes kaput. You have coffee on your shelf if you need it. So it can be a great prepper item, and it can be just for simple iced coffee. It can be a multi-purpose thing. So I'm just going to pop these back in. That's it. Super simple. But in the middle of the summer when you want a nice coffee, put this in the fridge in the morning, put a ton of ice, put some vanilla extract in it if you want. I do that as well. Sometimes I put maple extract in it. I just, whatever floats my boat for that day is what I do. Or like I've said, when the hydro has gone out, these jars have saved me. So I'm just going to go through these. I do have a little bit of coffee left in my pot there that I brewed up this morning. And I will bring you back when I'm pulling these out of the canner. Alright guys, we're going to pull out the coffee out of the canner. I've had the lid off now for 5 minutes. And there we go. Super easy little canning project. I'm gonna lift you guys up. There we go, just a tad. Now if you guys happen to know a big coffee drinker, share this video. I do know you can do this even with instant coffee. So if you're an instant coffee drinker, put 2 tablespoons of your granules in the bottom of the jar. Fill it full of boiling water. Just make sure your jar is hot. And you will have yourself some coffee on your shelf. And this is a great way if you don't happen to use all your coffee. Good way to use it up. Now, if you guys know a coffee drinker that could use this video, please give it a good share for me. Hit that like button, guys. And I will leave the processing times down in the description box. And if I can find a coffee creamer canning recipe, I will leave that as well. Or you guys can leave it in the comments below and I'll pin her up to the top, your favorite coffee creamer. Or if you guys do this, I'd like to know. All right, guys, and I will see you guys super soon. Bye.